How to delete your eToro account. If you wish to delete your account on eToro, it is rather quite simple for us to do so. Now, there are many caveats to deleting your eToro account, so first of all, you must make sure to become aware of all of those, and then just launch the eToro application, and then it will ask you to sign in. So make sure to sign in respectfully for the account that you wish to delete. Go to the sign in button from the very bottom, enter your email and your username, then type in your password, then tap on the sign in button to sign into your account. After you sign into your account, you have to simply click or tap on the settings icon from the left navigation menu and go to account. So you'll find the three horizontal lines icon from the top left. From there, you could simply go to the account option. There you can select the option that says close your eToro account, and then go ahead and then choose a reason for leaving from the drop down menu, and then click on confirm. Once you've done that, you'll be able to delete your eToro account. Now, some considerations that you need to make is make sure to sell all of your assets to bring your balance to zero before you delete your account, because after doing so it will be irretrievable. Then you must also ensure that you have withdrawn all of the cash from your account, and if you have an eToro money account, you must also contact the customer service for further steps. Either way, I hope this video boiled it down for you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.